Hello everyone, doing a video chart for EMXC, EMAX Corporation, traded on the pinks. Alright, for the open for Friday, July 1st, we had 0008 hit the high of 001 and the low of 0008, so it did not go lower than what it opened. We closed up for the day at 0009, 12.50%. Going into a 3-day weekend, with the holiday being the Monday, the 4th of July. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start off this video with the RSI. I did a previous video before, still shows the same thing. We are in an uptrend, especially the RSI confirming that. I'm going to go ahead and do the support and resistance now. Make that green. There we go for support. Looking at 0005, we did get down there right here after the pullback after the first initial run. That went from right about around here, hit a high of 0014, had a pullback, did hit 0004 and bounced right off of it, and here we go, going back up. So there's our support. Looks like there could be a little bit of support right here also around the 0008 area. Right there. Alright, our next major resistance after 001, let me go ahead and get a resistance line up here. Right around here. 001 should be our next resistance, and after that, looking at the weekly chart, I think we're going to be up in the 0018 for our next major resistance. So after that, we could have a little spike up there. Let me go ahead and clear this out here. And we're going to move down here to the MACD. A very, very beautiful crossover going ahead to kick off this run here. Everything I say obviously is in my own opinion, but I'm showing you what I know, and one thing I do know is once this happens, there's usually a spike to follow, especially with that crossover. Next thing I want to point out is the accumulation. Still absolutely insane. I've said it before in my last video, I'm going to say it again, it's crazy. Right here it started. Went ahead in the run, had the pullback, and there we are. We're going off again. This is crazy. Usually, not all cases, but sometimes you do see a big fall off after a run like that in a pullback. So I do want to point that out. The next thing I do want to talk about that's really, really been sticking out at me, and just want to talk about a little bit right here. We've got this volume spike right here. Looks like we got up to 0014 at that time. Then if you look here, another one, spiked back up to, looks like 0009 it hit. Looked like a big volume day right around here. A little bit of a spike, but closed even. Then we're going to go ahead and move down here. In the last run, big volume spike, pushed it up. These days going ahead leading up to it, and then boom. Right on up to 0014. Go ahead and have the pullback like we discussed. Now the next thing is right here. The volume going into this next leg, like I said, this is what I see here is happening. The volume, low volume, kicking this off, and that's really, really been sticking out at me, especially with the L2 and watching L2 the last couple trading days. It did not take much for the 008s to fall. I think we went through those we opened yesterday with only a few million left at 008 or 0008 rather. This stock supposedly has a 3.5 AS, which I do know that, and a OS of approximately 2.9 billion. I'm going to have to double check that, but I'm pretty sure about that. If that's the case, it would need 200 to 300 million to move one, maybe two ticks the way it's been. We had 18 million in volume for Friday, which yes, right here you can see that 18 million in volume. We hit a high of 001, two ticks up for only that kind of volume. I'm sorry, but I'm not buying that share structure, but that again is in my opinion. And the accumulation, something's definitely going on here, especially right here. It's telling you a story. It's going up. The big volume's been dropping off. right here. It's taking a lot less volume for this thing to move. So, hey, this is definitely one to watch. I wanted to go through the video and point out some stuff to you guys. Go ahead and enjoy your holiday and be safe.